Welcome back to another video. Today we got the parking lot sale. 3 days only, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, March 13th, 14th, and 15th. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. Yeah, we got extended store hours, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Friday, Saturday, regular hours on Sunday. Alright, we got the 44 by 22 double bank extra deep cabinets for $3.99. This is definitely a great deal. $3.99 is a great price. Usually we see this for $3.50, not less. So last time we saw this, I believe it was at the Black Friday sale for $3.99. So if you need one of these, make sure you pick it up, because who knows when we're going to see this again. Great deal on that. Another great deal is this, the 7-amp Portland pole saw for $49.99. This is definitely a great item. It is corded, still works though, as long as you have an extension cord. This thing cuts really good. I do have the review on my channel. Recently, I did buy a sharpener, a chainsaw sharpener. Make sure you watch that video. This thing, you can keep it sharpened with that sharpener, and pretty much it cuts just like brand new, basically, even better than brand new with that sharpener. But yeah, this thing's a great item for 50 bucks. Another great item is the 12 volt dual bevel sliding compound miter saw for $129.99. The only bad thing is that it doesn't really include the blade. If you need the blade, if you're gonna be spending money on the blade, I would suggest you go to move a step up to Admiral. I do have the video on my channel for the Admiral. It's a great saw. This one's a great saw too, but the Admiral, you're getting a lot more. You're getting a LED light, you're getting a laser, you get all these features, plus you're getting a blade, so you don't have to spend money on a blade. Another great item here is this welding. This is the good and the better titanium Chicago Electric. It's a great price. However, I think we've seen this lower than that, but still definitely a great price at $159. Another great item is this Braun 5000 lumen 4 feet LED hanging shop light, $19.99. Go pick it up if you need it. This is definitely a great item. That says save up to 87% on any of these items. I'm not going to go over these items because usually these are the same items that we see on every parking lot sale. As you guys see, we got the glasses, the adapters, the magnets, machetes, more random stuff. This is the liquidation sale. Basically Friday's 50%, Saturday 60%, Sunday. It doesn't really work like this, guys. Usually on Saturday we'll see the 50%, Saturday at 8 a.m. and then Sunday we'll get like I believe 75% or 70 or 75%. So make sure you stay tuned. I usually go out on Friday and look at all the items, and if I see any discounts or anything, I'll let you guys know. So if you guys want to find out how this works, watch one of my previous videos, parking lot sales, or stay tuned for Friday, March 13th. Alright, we got some floor jacks here. Got the Pittsburgh Series 2 rapid pump 3-ton heavy duty floor jack for $84.99. And then you got Daytona, which is a great deal. Daytona rapid pump 3-ton steel professional duty floor jacks for $97.99. Usually we see this for, on the parking lot sales, we see this for $100. $97, you get a couple dollars off from a regular parking lot sale. So this is still a great deal. This is another great deal. The Franklin, this is your equivalent to the Little Giant, $99.99. Definitely a great deal. We always seen it at this price, $79. Not really the greatest deal. A great pressure washer I do have a few videos, a few upgrades how you guys could put a foam cannon on this thing. So I do have that on my channel. You got the outdoor 24 feet 18 bulb 12 socket linkable string lights, $19.99. You got the Badlands ZXR 12,000 SUV winch, $289.99. We usually see this same price at the parking lot sales. We got the Predator 3,500 watt super quiet inverted generator, $679. Alright, we got 4375 max starting Predator generator for $329. Alright, we got the good, better, and best. This is good. I messed up on this. Good, better, and best should be like that. But anyways, this is $13.99, $24.99, $79.99. You got the Central Pneumatic retractable air hose reel for $59.99. Got the Bauer 10 amp deep cut bearable speed bandsaw. And then you have the 4-in-1 portable power pack jump starter for $59.99. And then this is the new item that they have. This is the good and the best. So this is Fortress brand. Supposed to be a little bit quieter, a little bit, you know, more PSI. Obviously, it's more PSI to this one's 150. 175. This is air delivery 2.5 CFM. This is 3.0 CFM and 90 PSI. So it's like an upgrade from this. You got a lot more gauges. You got, you know, nicer valves, placements, and then everything. So just basically an overall upgrade from this one for $20 more. Alright, you got the Shop Crane 2-ton for $189. This is definitely a great item. If you guys need a shop crane, you guys were rebuilding an engine or replacing. Half-inch heavy duty extreme torque impact wrench, $79.99. I do recommend this. This works really good. Heard nothing but good things. For $80, you don't need to buy batteries, nothing. All you have to do is just plug it into the electricity. This is a great item. Definitely recommend it. $14.99. We always seen it at this price, but still a great item if you don't have it. 6.5 horizontal shaft gas engine, $94.99. You got the 10 amp 1 1/8 SDS variable speed priority hammer kit, $69.99. This is definitely a great item. 1,500 pound capacitive vehicle dollies, $39.99. Got the 3,100 PSI heavy duty pressure washer, $349. You got the 3/8 cordless drill. Yeah, it's really basic drill, guys. This is not even. This is just to hang a picture on the wall, do a small hole. That's it. You got the solar panel kit for $149.99. I do have a video on my channel. You guys check it out. Just put a 100-watt solar panel kit on the search section of YouTube up on the search, and then just put toolhead 147. All my videos should pop up. Got Diablo 3/8 by 50. I did buy this. I recently did some baseboard. This is a great item. Another great item is this Earthquake extreme torque half-inch impact wrench for $14.99. This is lower. We usually see this for, I believe, $240, $239, or $229. So this is, you're basically saving about $15-20 on the regular price there, or not on the regular price, on the regular coupon. All right, you got the job site table saw, 10-inch, $249.99. I wouldn't recommend this one, but you know, if you got a one project, you might, you know, $100 will get it done. But still, I would definitely save my money for something like this, or just get another tool and do it. All right, we got another good item here. A good sale. You got US General Series 2 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics carts. I do have the blue one. Works really good. All these are really nice colors, really nice, good quality. For $184.99, it's definitely a great deal. We haven't seen nothing lower than this, so this is probably going to be your best bet to get it. You got the 10 by 20 feet car canopy, $89.99. Got the Warrior 2-piece titanium high step bits, $13.99. 301 Master Mechanics, $159.99. Pneumatic roller seats and the oversized low profile creeper, $19.99. Got a hardware workbench, $117.99. And then you got the Bauer compact driver kits, $57.99. This is the 4-gallon backpack sprayer, $18.99. This is really basic. If you're a DIY, if you're doing your own weeds or pests, this will work. If you're a professional, don't bother and get this. Badland 2,500 watt electric winch. This is mostly for ATVs. $49 is a great deal on that. And this is the 3,500 watt or 3,500 pound for $99.99. You got the sander here, Bauer sander for $24.99. And then you got the Jupiter continuous 2,000 watt continuous 4,000 watt peak power inverter. If you need to power some power tools or for emergency situation, this will work. See here, you got the 13-piece half-inch drive deep impact sockets. This is definitely a worth item. I would suggest you get that. Great price. 580 Lumen tactical flashlight, always been under $10. Great light there. $28.99 for this battery charger. Ammo can for under $10. Got the AMC infrared, $16.99. I do have something like this. It works really good. I like it. This is definitely a great item. 600 pound capacity heavy hand truck. Torque wrenches. This is definitely a great torque wrenches. If you guys are going to do tire rotations or anything on your vehicle. I do have a few videos using this. This is definitely a nice item for under $10. Here's another good one. You're saving yourself $5 from your regular coupon. Usually the coupons are $99. But yeah, regular price is $129.99. Coupon, it'll be like $99. And parking lot sale today, $94.99. Alright. Yeah, this is definitely the lowest I've seen this. They're just trying to clear everything out. This is the Central Pneumatic 21-gallon oil lube air compressors for $144.99. Yeah, ever since the new ones came out, they've been trying to get rid of these. So now they did lower the price. So definitely recommend it for you guys. If you guys need something like this, go ahead and pick it up. It works really good. Same thing with these. These will work for $40. You know, you get a tree cut or you get a yard clean with this. They do work, guys. Everything works. Great budget tools there. You got 9,000 watt max starting extra long life gas powered generator, $599.99. This is the big one. Remember, really powerful. And the wheels are sold separately, so just the wheels and the handle. Keep that in mind. You got the 72 by 80 moving blanket, $599. You got the Bauer 5.7 amp heavy duty dual action speed polisher, $59.99. So welding helmet, $37.99. And this is the new 3-in-1 quick brown connect light, $39.99. And this is the lowest we send this to. You got the HVLP handheld paint sprayer, $69.99. And then you have the Armstrong Tilt flat panel TV wall mounts, $19.99. Or the full motion wall mounts, $39.99. And then these are great items here. If you guys need to get some cameras for the house security, $199 is definitely a great deal on that. Another great deal is these jack stands there. This is a great deal. $16.99. You can't, if you go on Craigslist or looking for something like this, you're not gonna find them cheaper than $30, $25-$30. So at Harbor Freight you can get them for $17 out the door, or not out the door, but you know, $17 plus tax. You got a 4-piece 1x15 ratcheting tie down, $6.99. This has always been $39.99. You got the good or better and best. Definitely recommend you guys for this one. This one's a great for the DIY, professional grade, prosumer type. Professional, this is definitely the way you want to go. That's what I want to get, something like that. You got the airless paint sprayer, 164. You got the 5mm powder free nitro gloves, $4.99. These are great gloves, guys, for the cleanup, light duty use. You got a mover's dolly for $7.99. You got a CERC OBD2 code reader, $157.99. Got the Daytona rapid pump 3-ton steel super duty floor jack. This is the professional version, $177.99. That's definitely a great jack. You got a lot of great item here. I would recommend all of these except this one. These batteries blow up. I had 2 batteries in 2 different occasions leak, and I do not recommend these. I recommend everything else but not that. Alright, that's it for that. And then we're gonna do the 30% off coupon that we have. If you guys could see that. I'll see if I can put a picture, take a picture, a clearer picture, and just put it up on the screen. But yeah, we got a 30% off coupon. This is Harbor Freight. It says Friday, February 28th through Sunday, March 1st. So this coupon is not valid now. It's valid until February the 28th through March 1st. So don't go to Harbor Freight and try to buy something like this. It's only for this weekend, or not this weekend, but you know, this 28th weekend there, the day of the 28th. You got US General 44 by 22 for $49. Like I said, these usually the lowest we've seen is $4.49. Parking lot sale is gonna be $3.99. So you're gonna save $50 on this. So if you gonna pick up something like this, I would wait for the parking lot sale. You got the 250 lumen pop-up lantern for $44.99. And then you got those batteries that I don't like, that they leak. And then you have a battery charger. I believe this is going to be $28 on the parking lot sale. And then you get a free tarp. Like I said, I'll see if I can post a picture. And then on the back, we got tilting flat panel TV wall mount, $14.99. We got some gloves for $149. And then you got the HVLP paint sprayer, $69.99. You got some hammers, $2.99. Car canopy, $99.99. And then you have some cutoff wheels, $5.99. You got a gravity feed spray gun, $9.99. You get the Apache case. It's a really small case for under $10. And then you got the Warrior. You got the Warrior quick release magnetic nut sellers for $3.99. Electric chainsaw, $39.99. You got combination wrenches, $5.99. And then you have the 10-inch compound miter saw for $94.99. This is definitely a great saw. I used to have it. I got rid of it because I bought an upgraded version. I bought the Admiral. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the bell for more 2 reviews to deals. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.